Huawei P50 Pro leaked render reveals tracking design and images show veiled penta-camera layout. A few people know about this news, so let's get started. Huawei's next flagship line is the Huawei P50 series, and a new leak from OnLeaks gives us a look at reportedly the first smartphone to launch with Huawei's in-house operating system that reduces its reliance on Android. Huawei is gearing up to launch its next flagship smartphone. The P50 series is expected to come and may be the first Huawei device to launch with the company's in-house Harmony OS. Renders of the Huawei P50 Pro have leaked, and while the handset's body looks pretty conventional, what stands out is the camera island. Now another leakster, Huawei NDI, has published renders of the previously unseen Huawei P50 Pro Plus, claiming to reveal what lives inside those circles, and it's pretty wild. It's a penta-camera design with a periscope and a smaller lens in one circle, plus a triple camera and a TOF sensor in the other circle. These renders may not be 100% accurate, however, last month this same leakster was showing a very different layout for the P50 Pro Plus rear camera. The thing is, even if the renders are based on actual insider information, makers usually try out different prototypes before settling on a final design, and the P50 launch is still months away. The camera bump has two huge circle glass lenses. While smartphone cameras are normally small, these twin glasses really hint at Huawei's upcoming flagship's camera prowess. Huawei's P series normally showcases powerful photography features, while the Mate series focuses more on business and productivity features. We also see a glass back and metal frame, which are fairly standard affair. The top and bottom ends of the phone are flat, and although there is no headphone jack, we can spot an IR blaster at the top. According to the report, the display at the front is a 6.6-inch panel with the slightly curved edges and very thin bezels. As you can tell from the renders, there is a centered punch hole for the selfie camera. This is a departure from Huawei's off-center punch hole dual selfie camera. As for the rear cameras, the P50 Pro is reportedly going to have a Sony IMX 800 1-inch sensor with 50 megapixel resolution built for smartphones. Other speculations include an integrated fingerprint scanner and dual stereo loudspeakers. While the camera bump's design looks new and distinct, the overall design is nothing groundbreaking. We expect to hear many strong opinions for and against the camera design, but cosmetic appearances don't outweigh the actual camera's performance. The rumored March launch date for the P50 series clearly is not happening, as the sanctions against Huawei have not been eased off. The company reportedly had to delay the launch and to cut production targets. There is no solid indication of when the P50 will be unveiled to the world. The latest report claims that the new flagship will be announced in May. Anyway, the front of the device shows steeply curved sides of the waterfall display. They definitely look curvier than P50 Pro's display. According to a report from last year, Huawei was going to use Samsung and LG OLED displays on the P50 series, but that may no longer be true. At least it can always tape BOE or another domestic display maker. Securing the needed Kirin 9000 chipset will be more difficult, and likely a large part of why the launch keeps getting pushed back. Huawei's P50 series is expected to debut in May this year with three P50 models: the Huawei P50, the Huawei P50 Pro, and the Huawei P50 Pro Plus. My name is Anwar, and this is TechNewLeaks. I upload videos daily about smartphones, tech, and laptops. If you are enjoying my videos, then a like would be cherished. Thank you.
And I'm losing my mind.